Hi! Today we're talking about cells, and we're going to use the school as an analogy. An analogy is when you take something that is not like something but that you understand really well, and you make comparisons to help you understand something that you don't understand very well a lot better. We're at the front doors of the school. The front doors of the school are an awful lot like a cell membrane, because even though they're not made of phospholipids, and even though they don't look anything like a cell membrane, they do allow some things in and some things out, and keep things that aren't supposed to go in and out from going in and out. Okay, this is the main office. You're probably familiar with it. It controls the whole school. So it's sort of like the nucleus, because the nucleus is in charge of everything. It doesn't look like a nucleus, it's not round like a nucleus, but it serves the same function for our school as the nucleus serves for the cell. Hey, I'm in the cafeteria, and behind me is the kitchen. The kitchen is sort of like the mitochondria, because they convert food into something that you can use, and that something powers you throughout the whole day. So the mitochondria converts carbohydrates into ATP, which the cell can use for energy, and that means that the kitchen is sort of like the mitochondria, even though it doesn't look anything like the mitochondria, which is sort of bean-shaped and filled with wrinkled up membranes. And this is the teacher's lounge. It's where all the mailboxes for all of the teachers live. The mail system of the school is sort of like the Golgi apparatus, because the Golgi body packages things and tags those little packages to go to different places. It doesn't look anything like the Golgi apparatus, which looks sort of like a stack of flattened pancakes that pinch off little bags on the end. But those little bags serve just like boxes and envelopes, because they're tagged and they go to different places in the cell or even outside of the cell to take things where they need to be. So the Golgi apparatus makes vesicles. Some of those vesicles are targeted to go outside of the cell, like I said before, but other vesicles have a job to do, and that job might be processing waste products. One of those vesicles is called a lysosome. A lysosome is an awful lot like the bathroom, because that's where we process waste products. This is a hallway. There's hallways all over the school that help us get where we need to be. We can go from one place to another at any time because there are hallways connecting those things. That makes it like the endoplasmic reticulum. It doesn't look anything like the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a folded up series of membranes that reaches all over the cells, but it serves the same purpose. This hallway has classrooms in it. The classrooms are like ribosomes. Just like rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes, our hallways have classrooms. The classrooms are where learning takes place, where we manufacture the product of the school. And the ribosomes are where protein gets made. Proteins are the products the cells make, the things that allow the cell to do everything it needs to do. Proteins serve as enzymes and structures, and without proteins the cell couldn't do anything. And so just like that, without classrooms we couldn't learn anything, and learning is the purpose of the whole school. This is the storeroom behind my classroom. It's kind of like the plant's large central vacuole, because if there's something I don't know what to do with, it gets stuffed back here. Also, stuff I'm going to need later, it's stored here. Just like the plant stores both water and nutrients that it might need later. So hopefully thinking about the analogy between the school and a cell will help you remember the functions of all the different parts of the cell. Try coming up with your own analogies. Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time.